1 second. Okay. Then Buddhadev, what is slicing?
Ma'am, I didn't attend the last class. I had network trouble, ma'am.
Okay. Then anyone? What is slicing? Abhilash.
Ma'am, slicing is to retrieve a subset of characters from a given string.
Okay. We can retrieve a set of characters from a string that is known as slicing. Okay. If a string is there, we can select a particular character, a single character or more than one character from that string. That process is known as slicing. What happened, Amal? So, what is indexing? Sarah, what is indexing?
Two examples in a backward and front.
Yes. Indexing means to access a single character, we are using the position value of that character. Okay. We are using the position value of that character. The position value is known as index value. Okay. Index value means the position value of a particular character. Okay. So here I am using a string world. This is the string. Here indexing, we are commonly using forward indexing. So it is 0, 1, 2, welcome. This is the string. Okay. The index value of this string, it is the first index value is 0. The indexing, forward indexing always begin with 0 value. So W it is 0, E it is 1, L it is 2, C 3, O 4, 5 and 6. These are the index values. This index value is very important in the case of slicing. Okay. For slicing, we need this index value. In every string, the indexing is starting from 0. Okay. Then, Kevin, what is the index value of this word hello?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Starting from? What is the value
0.
of h?
0.
H it is 0. Index value is not 4. Index value is from 0 to 4. Okay, Kevin?
Yes, ma'am. 0 to 4.
Okay. H it is 0. E it is 1. L it is 2. L again it is 3. 0 it is 4. Okay. These are the index values of hello. So every string, there is one index set of values for representing their position. It is very important in this slicing method. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Buddhadev, is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
What, Buddhadev? Clear?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the string representation and this is the index representation. Then after that, we are going to write the syntax of slicing. What is the syntax of slicing, Anjana? String name. Start value is there. Then colon. Then stop value is there. Then step value is also there. So for slicing, first we use string name. Then after string name, use square brackets. This bracket is important. Use square bracket. Normal bracket is wrong. You have to use square bracket. Then first value is start value. Second value is stop value. Last value is step value. Start value is for representing the beginning. Stop value is for representing the last character. Step value is for incrementation value. which value we want to use for next representation, that is step value. For next step, which value we want to take, that is step value. Okay, I will explain with one example. S is equal to, string is represented using either single quotes or double quotes. That is the format of string representation. We are writing some characters within single quotes or double quotes, then only it is used as string. Okay. So S is equal to, within double quotes, I'll write welcome, the word welcome. Okay. After that, I'm writing S of 0 colon 3 colon 1. This is the first slicing question. S of 0 colon 3 colon 1. Okay. Here 0 is the start value. So what is the first value, Kevin? 0 is the start value.
0.
0 is the start value. We will take the corresponding character from this string. Is it clear, Kevin? Slicing means this is a string. From this string, we are taking some characters. Either we can take LC or COM, LCOM. Any set of characters we can take from this string. That is slicing. For that purpose, we are using these index values. Okay. So 0. What is the character based on this 0? It is
W.
W, correct? So it is W. After writing W, we use this incrementation value. That is, the first value is 0. With this 0, we add this value. So 0 plus 1, what is 0 plus 1? It is 1. So the next index value, it is 1. So what is the next character? 1 is represented by character E. Then next it is again incremented by 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. So the next value it is L. Then next it is 2 plus 1, 3. But our stop value is 3. We are not including this stop value. Stop value is excluded. So 3 is not included. So 2 is the last value. L is the last value. So the result is WEL.
Ma'am,
Okay, Kevin?
ma'am, if the start value is 0 and the stop value is 3,
Yes.
what is the step value? I mean, like,
Step value is for
what we
incrementation.
use
We
it.
can increment with any value. Okay. Is that question? Is it that question, Kevin?
No,
Repeat the
ma'am,
question.
ma'am, I meant to ask, like, why do we need step value? Like,
Step value. Yes, I will explain. The normal step value is 1. Okay. We can write the step value as 2. Okay. If the step value is 2, the first value, it is 0. That is correct. W. I'll just write 5 here. Okay, stop value it is 5. Step value it is 2. Then I will add 2 with the 0. So this E is missing. It will display, after W, it will display L. Okay, after L, it will display 0. Okay, 0 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2? It is 2. After that, 2 plus 2, it is O. Then stop value is 5. So we stop here. So the output is WLO. Is it clear, Kevin?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So by default, the step value is 1. If there is no step value, then also.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Okay, Sahan?
Ma'am, should we write down the step value? Stop value, stop value.
Stop value?
Like their stop value is 0. O, right? Welcome, O. So should we write O?
No, no, no. Here we can use only index values.
So, ma'am, why you wrote WLO?
What's a
Ma'am, you wrote WLO. You included the sub value.
The result is WLO. The output is WLO.
Yeah.
But
So
in
we
this
can write.
slicing operator, we can use only index value.
Okay.
Based on this index value, the output display like this, WLO.
Ma'am, then the last question, you didn't include, you didn't write down the stop value. Why? Last question,
Last question.
you
In
didn't
previous
include the
class.
stop value. No, just now.
What is the last question?
Last question 031.
S1 of 0, 3, 1.
031.
Then what is the problem with this question, Sahan?
Then first W, then E, then L. You didn't include the C.
Okay,
Only
okay.
W. But here you included the stop value.
Okay, that is the problem. Okay. So here 0, 3, 1. 0 is the first one, that is W.
W.
Then it is 0 is added with 1. So the next value is E.
E.
Okay. Then
Then
again it
L.
is adding, we will get 2. So the result is L. Okay.
Then
Okay,
we
Sahan?
stop there. Then we stop there.
We will stop there because the stop value is 3.
And so you didn't write C, but in the next question you wrote the stop value.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, that's my confusion. We should
Okay,
write
okay,
or
okay,
not.
okay. 0, stop value it is 5. Step value it is 2.
Okay.
Okay. So here step value is 2. Stop value is 5. So we will consider till 5. We are not
Okay, so
including 5.
So we won't write down the O, right? WLO. We
Okay, I
can't
will
write
explain.
down O. We'll only write
Okay.
WL.
Just listen. 0 is the first value. So I will write W. After that, I want to add 2 with this 0. 0 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2? It is 2. Then I will write the value based on this 2. What is the value of 2? It is L. Okay. Then add 2 with this 2. 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? It is 4. So I will skip this C and write O here.
Oh, so okay.
Okay, here step value is 2. That's why I skip this one. E, C. I'll just write W, L, and
O
O.
is 4. I thought O was 5. Okay. I got it.
Okay. So that is slicing. Here we can use step value. I'll write another one. If it is not a string. Okay, string again. That is hello world. Here one space is there. Okay. So your questions are just like that. Hello, one space is there. So we consider this a single space. So all of you switch on the video. Alan Joshi, Alan Varghese, Nestle, Basuri. Anish, Alan. Alan Thomas. All of you switch on the video. Alan Varghese, Anish Salian, Alan Thomas, Tushar. If there is any problem, you just respond. If there is any problem with your video. Then Alan Varghese, the Tushar, Nestle. Okay, Nestle, Alan. Okay. Okay, Alan. Don't off this video. Okay. Is there any problem with your network or video? What happened, Alan? Okay, Nestle also switch on the video. Okay, here one string, it is HELLO space world. So, Alan Verghese, which are the index values here for this string? From which number index value starting, Alan? No idea. Why? I'm repeating the same topic from the previous class also, this class also. Alan Thomas,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the first value of this H? Index value of H?
0.
Correct, Alan. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The space it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the index values. So if there is a space in your string, you give one position value for that space also. Okay. Is it clear, Alan Verghese?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the string. Then S1 of 6, 10, 1. Then write another one. S1 of 2, 11, 3. This is the first question. S1 of 6 colon 10 colon 1. Then second question it is 2 colon 11 colon 3. And third question it is 1 colon 30 colon 2. Second question it is 4 colon 30 colon nothing. Colon is the no value is for step. So here the stop value, just listen. Here the stop value is 30. But our maximum value is 10. So it will just check, it will not consider this 30. It will just consider the last value. Okay. If the stop value is greater than the last value, it will consider just the last value. Okay. Here also we are using 30. 30 is not there. So we will consider the last value, that is 10. Okay, Kevin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Amal? Is it clear, Amal?
So,
Okay. Did you get your textbook?
No,
Can
no.
you? No. Okay.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, first one is WOL.
WORL.
RL.
Yes. Yes. 1 is the step value, no. After 6, 7 is used. After 7, 8. After 8, 9.
Mm.
Is it clear, Sarah?
Ma'am, how R?
Start value, it is 6.
Okay.
Okay. Then 1 is added with 6. What is the next value? It is 7.
7.
So, O. Then after 7, 1 is added with 7. So, the next value, it is 8. Then after 8, it is added with 1. The value is 9. So, it is L. Then 10 is the stop value. We stop here.
Okay, okay, okay.
And when there's no set value, what should we do?
Here no step value. If there is no step value, we will take 1 as step value.
1.
Okay. If there is no step value, we will take 1 as step value. If there is no stop value, another question. If there is no stop value, we'll use 0 as start value. If there is no start value, 0 is the start value.
Ma'am, then if there's no stop value?
Yes, Kevin?
Ma'am, what if there's no stop value?
This stop value.
Ma'am, what if there's no stop value?
No stop value. Kevin, repeat the question.
Ma'am, what if there is no stop value?
If there is no stop value, that is the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop value is compulsory. Stop value is compulsory for all slice operation. The start and step is optional. Okay. Stop value is compulsory. Is it clear, Kevin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start and step is optional. Stop is compulsory. Thompson, read the second answer.
L space R.
L. First character, start value it is 2. So it is L. Here incrementation value it is 3. So we will add 3 with 2. 2 plus 3 it is 5. 5 it is space. So there is one space. Then after 5, 5 plus 3. Then what is the value next, Thompson?
R.
R. Then last value it is 11. So after R, there is no value. So the result is L space R. It is not underscore. It is for space representation. L space R is the result.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if the stop value is exceeding the number of characters,
Exceeding the value,
we-
then you will consider the last value.
ma'am, only the last letter.
No,
D.
no. You consider stop value as 11. We can include this 10. Okay. You can consider 11 as stop value. That is maximum value we can include if the value is exceeding, stop value is exceeding. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the 11th value will put it for space or the last character.
Pardon, Kevin?
Ma'am, you said we can we can keep only 11 characters, right, ma'am? Maximum stop value.
Stop value we will consider 11. That is starting from 1. That is starting from 1 and adding 2 with 1. So it is 3. Then after 3 it is 5. After 5 it is 7. Then after 7 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is there. Okay. So after 5, 5 plus 2 it is 7. 7 plus 2 it is 9. 9 plus 2 it is 11. So 11 is included. So the result is 1 it is E.
I'm
3 it
only
is
10 is there, right? 11, I don't.
okay.
Ma'am, there's no
0,
11th character.
1, 2,
Yeah, I think
3,
it's only
4,
till
5,
10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is the. Oh, this is not L. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
So it is 10. So the answer include after 9 there is no value. So the result is E L space is the after that O, then after that L. E L space O L. Is it clear, Kevin?
Ma'am, my question is not clear. Ma'am, what if they ask, what if they put the stop value as a number, like the question you've given 30? What should we do in that
Okay.
case, ma'am?
If the stop value is exceeding our number of characters, here we are exceeding, that is a total number of character, it is 11. Here I am giving 30 as stop value. So there is no 30 in this string. So we will just consider last value as stop value. Means we will just increment the value based on this step value. We'll consider till the last value. That is the first value it is 1. Then after that I will increment 2 with 1, it is 3. After that 3 with 2 it is 5. Then 7, then 9. If we increment 9 with 2, the result it is 11. There is no position value 11. So we'll stop here. Okay, Kevin?
Yes, ma'am. So
Okay.
we'll stop at 10.
Okay. If one more value is there, words, S is also there, then what is the output, Kevin? After 9, 2 is incremented, so S is also included in the result. Okay, Kevin?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Okay, who's this?
Sarah.
Okay, okay, Sarah.
Ma'am, third one is ELOWRT.
This is the third one.
1:30:2.
2. The answer is EL space OL. Strong.
Wrong.
Okay. HELLO space is there, WORLD. This is the string. The position value it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The first value it is 1. So the first value it is 1. So the output is E. After that 2 is incremented. So 1 plus 2 it is 3. So it is L. 3 plus 2 it is 5. 5 it is space. 5 plus 2 it is 7. 7 it is O. Then 7 plus 2 it is 9. 9 it is again L.
Ma'am.
Then 9 plus 2 it is not there. So we stop there. So the
Ma'am.
output is EL space OL.
Ma'am, you counted like 1 plus 3, then 3 plus 5, like that.
Yes. Here we are using step value as 2. Okay. So
Okay.
we add 2 with this start value. Start value it is 1. We add 2 with this one. So the next value it is 3. After 3, 3 plus 2, it is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Just like that. Sahan, what happened? Is it clear, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am. I'll try again.
Okay. I'll give 2 more questions. You do it. S1 of 3 colon 6 colon 2. Here you just use 8. 3 colon 8 colon 2. Then another one 0 colon 8 colon 3. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the answer of 4 colon 30?
4,
4
4,
colon 30.
4 colon 30.
Yes.
Okay. We'll start with 4. So it is O. Step value, there is no step value. So we will use 1 as step value. So 4, after 4, space is there. Then after 5, it is W displayed. Then after that, O, then R, then L, then D. Here the incrementation value is 1. So after 4, it will become 5. Then it will become 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because we are including this 10 because our stop value is 30. It is greater than 10. So we'll include this D also. Last value also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.